Advanced Manufacturing Queensland is an Australian-owned engineering and manufacturing company offering class-leading solutions to the automotive and defence industries. Our facility, located in Brisbane, Australia, has the capability to take a concept all the way to production, providing clients with a comprehensive end-to-end solution. We have significant expertise in left-hand drive to right-hand drive vehicle re-engineering and remanufacture, EV charging conversion, vehicle upfitting, market homologation, and IP protection. Advanced Manufacturing Queensland's 8,000 square metre site runs full lean manufacturing processes on multiple production lines, timed to pulses. We have fully audited our supply chain with full PPAP on safety critical components. Our engineering capability includes mechanical, electrical and software engineering, rapid prototyping including 3D metal printing, reverse engineering, finite element analysis, durability testing via exclusive access to proving grounds, design for manufacture. Advanced Manufacturing Queensland has partnerships with higher education institutions and is an active member in various committees that are focused on strengthening Australia's sovereign capabilities and education standards. At our core is a commitment to customer focus and constant evolution, supported by an engaged team with decades of global experience. Our team consists of industry-leading product and design engineers, lean manufacturers from world-class OEMs, and quality control experts. Proudly Australian-owned with a strong Australian workforce, we are committed to assist other industries onshore their manufacturing. Advanced Manufacturing Queensland. Engineering excellence made in Australia.